it's tangling. It's tangling. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. So today's video is going to be on this baddie that I'm wearing right now. This is a really super cute unit. This unit is from Sam's Beauty. It is $23. This is from the the Sensational Dashley collection, unit 8. This is about a 24 inch on me. I'm 5'6" and it goes right before my belly button. So it's about a 24 inch wig. So if you want to know all the details on this unit right here, keep on watching. So we're back with another review, of course. The color that I wanted was the one that she's wearing, but I got black because they didn't have any. So it is what it is. It's cool. Like, I'm not tripping or anything like that. I'm still gonna you know, like it. So this is the wig right here, and I have it turned into the wig cap. I turn my units into the wig cap, so that's how I store them, you know, instead of having it out. So yeah, let's unravel it and let's get into the details of it. So in this unit we have 2 combs on the side, we have 1 in the back, we have adjustable straps, and the only lace that we have is right across the perimeter and then the line where the actual part is. And this is how the part looks with no added, let me focus that, it's not focusing in, it's not focusing in. So this is how the part looks, no powder added, literally just my hand underneath. And this is how the texture of this unit looks. It's definitely a yucky texture, but it's really cute. It has like a little shine to it. So you could always add some dry shampoo to this unit, or you can add your translucent powder, whichever one, just to get that shine away from this unit because it is really shiny. Me running my hands through it right now, I don't have any shedding at all. So we're just gonna go ahead and apply this baby and cut the lace. Well, I'm actually gonna cut the lace before I apply it. We're just gonna cut the lace and then we're gonna apply her, and then we're just gonna see how she looks. Okay, so this is the unit on. Super quick and easy install. It lays really flat on my head. I don't have a wig cap on because I'm literally going to take this off as soon as I get done. It does have baby hairs. I did not lay any baby hairs down. I just like this wig, I just think that it just looks better without baby hairs. It's really cute. So you can like switch up the part. Like this is a middle part, so but if I wanted to change it to like a side part, I could just literally just shift the wig. I don't use the combs. The combs do a little bit of wear and tear on your hair, and your hair starts to thin out in those little areas where the combs are consistently being used. So I don't use combs at all. The adjustable straps makes it very snug already, so I don't really have to do too much to this. I think maybe I might do baby hairs one day wearing it just to spruce it up a bit or something, but I'm definitely not feeling the baby hairs as of right now for it. I did add some powder into the part just to make it look a little bit more realistic, like scalp. Other than that, I really don't have much to say about this unit. I think that it's really cute. This is definitely a cute everyday wig. However, because of the texture that it is, if you're wearing this wig, it's a very important that you carry your brush with you, because it's going to tangle. It is going to tangle. The fabric of this hair, well, the fiber of this hair, is that tangling like material. Like it's going to tangle. So just remember to bring your brush with you, so then you can just brush it throughout the day so you can look cute AF. So yeah, I'm feeling myself in it, of course, you know me. But yeah, that's pretty much all that I have to say about this wig right here. If you have any questions or you want to comment, just leave your comments down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.